Hello everyone, in this lecture the topic, rhetorical question, is explained in detail with understandable examples. But, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe the channel and like the video. It can be defined as: a rhetorical question is a question asked for effect, rather than to elicit an answer. What does it mean? Simply, it means that when a question is asked but the answer of that question is not expected to be answered. Basically, sometimes people during their conversation or speech ask questions and that questions are not asked from people to answer them but they are asked to emphasize the point or create a certain effect in the speech or text. In other words, you can say, rhetorical questions can be used to make a strong statement or emphasize a particular point without explicitly stating it. Just look at these examples. A politician might ask, "Can we afford to ignore this pressing issue any longer?" to emphasize the urgency of action. By this question in his speech, a politician does not expect any answer to it but he just wants to emphasize that an action should be taken urgently, because the issue is not bearable. So, you can see, this question is not asked to be answered but it is asked to give emphasis to the problem. So, this is known as rhetorical question. When will people learn? This is a common expression of exasperation. It is often used when someone is frustrated with the stupidity of others. The question is rhetorical because it is not meant to be answered. Instead, it is meant to express the speaker's frustration and to highlight the repeated mistakes that people make. So, we often hear this question because sometimes one becomes angry because of the mistakes and then he asks in his speech but he does not expect the answer to the question, but he asks to emphasize the point. Why me? This question is often asked by people who are experiencing misfortune or hardship. It is a rhetorical question because there is no clear answer. Instead, it is a way of expressing the speaker's confusion and pain. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.